Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name's Cody Bills, this is Logan Burgess. Today is Monday, February 24th, and we had the market moving higher here for soybeans. Soybeans actually hitting a fresh new 5-month high here, closing out the day at 1386.5. Let's turn over to the trading platform, see where the rest of the grains ended up. Corn for March trading at 451.5, down 1.5 cents. Wheat ended up closing up 8 cents. Kansas City wheat trading up 6 1/4 cents, and like I mentioned earlier, soybeans up 15 3/4. Logan, what's the reason soybeans continues to march higher here early on in the week?
You know, for the last couple of weeks, we've been talking a lot about dryness in southern Brazil. Well, now it really seems like the focus is heavy rains in central Brazil, specifically that Mato Grosso production area that people talk about quite a bit. Take a look here at the map. You can see over the weekend very heavy rains there in central Brazil, and that right now is coming at a critical time during their harvest cycle. As of Friday, 30% of Brazilian soybeans were reported harvested. That's 5% behind last year. So some people are getting concerned about the ability for Brazil to deliver these beans to market. Only adding to that was an accident at the #2 soybean exporting port in Brazil that might slow down things further. So bottom line, you know, as I said, people are talking about a lack of rain really a month, 2 weeks ago. Now the focus has shifted to rains that are now slowing down harvest now that we've gotten past pod fill there in Brazil.
Of course. Now that is the international news, but on a national level, we did have export inspections, and export inspections came out right about within analyst expectations for corn, soybeans, and wheat. One thing to note is people have been looking for cancellations for soybeans. Obviously, with South America able to harvest here, people are expecting some cancellations out of China. We just haven't seen those sort of cancellations. These export inspections, I think, gave another reason for funds to get long beans here and capture some of that momentum as this thing is moving higher. Bottom line here is these export, these problems, these logistical issues in South America, followed by these export inspections number, just more fuel for this bullish fire.
Yeah, you know, and right now if we take a look here at a weekly chart of that soybean contract, you can see that over the course of this March contract, really these are exceptional prices for what we've seen for really the last 2 years. Right now the bears in the market are going to say that here in the next several weeks that large Brazilian crop will come online. So this bullish sentiment, this bullish excitement may be kind of a flash in the pan here. Longer term, I think people are still concerned about world ending stocks as a result of this very large Brazilian crop.
Yeah, there's definitely one thing to keep in mind is that these rallies don't last forever. So you got to be careful here. Of course, there is a lot of momentum in favor of soybeans moving higher, but you know we do find a top eventually. So be very cautious out there. It is a very risky environment for soybeans. Other than that, guys, that wraps up today's show. And if you have any questions about what we talked about, give us a call at 877-472-4607. Remember, we do have a mobile trading app, so if you want to watch the markets on the go, go ahead and take a demo at grainhedge.com. Thanks a lot for tuning in. We'll see you here on Tuesday.